Have you tried using shorts to help your channel? Because I did. I did an experiment to see what would happen on this channel if I put a short out every day for 7 days, and I wanted to see what would happen. I wanted to see if the channel would crash, or if it would work, or if it would have any effect on the channel. Would it have a positive effect, negative effect, and what would actually happen if we just put a short out every single day for 7 days? And the experiment really did tell me that it's just not worth putting shorts out on a long form channel. But wait, don't go anywhere. I'm going to talk to you about how the shorts worked in another format on another channel. The question is, do shorts work or not? Thing is, on this channel, left me immensely disappointed. I got negative comments on the shorts. I got, your videos are stretched. I got all kinds of strange negative comments, and admittedly I didn't do a lot to the shorts. I basically took some long form videos and I made them into shorts, usually using maybe the beginning of the video. And my idea behind the shorts was, if I can get people to watch the shorts, then they might come over and watch the long form videos, because it might be the same audience, not actually a separate audience as such. But what actually happened was, you've got a completely different audience on the shorts, and they're not interested in the longs, so they didn't come over and watch the longs. They actually didn't subscribe, or maybe one or two did, I don't know, but it really didn't pick up the subscribers or anything to that effect. One of the shorts actually picked up, and the rest were all actually pretty poor. They didn't go anywhere at all. Now, I did a similar experiment on my Logical Trading channel, and as you know, we watch the Logical Trading channel, we watch the 23 channel, because these are channels that I'm growing. And the Logical Trading channel has been growing quite well. But what I found on the Trading channel, now the Trading channel is me, talking head guy, teaching people how to trade, showing people how to day trade, how to swing trade, how to invest, basically a finance channel. And I put a few shorts out on that channel, and that actually got some traction. Not a lot. It didn't go viral, but some people subscribed, and some people actually came over to the main long form channel. But I wouldn't say it was enough to put all the work into making shorts. I wouldn't say it was enough to change the game or move things into a different realm and say, oh, I've got to make shorts every day. In fact, it actually got me thinking, maybe I shouldn't even bother. I'm wasting my time. Hey, this is Logical Trading. We've tried using the shorts without much success. It's actually been very unsuccessful. Some of them got views, but not all of them. It was actually a very, very, very poor showing if you think about it. So I think on this, we'll probably stick to the long form rather than going with a short form. Old Man channel didn't do that great either. If you look at the Old Man channel, you look at the videos, how they've gone, there's only really one video that actually did anything on the shorts. So on the Old Man channel, I believe, pretty much failed completely, totally. So yeah, when I said to you, yeah, let's have a look at what happened on another channel, it did actually start to work a little bit there. So what I've come to the realization with this experiment is, it depends what type of channel you've got. When I say this, I mean this type of channel where I'm sitting talking to you and telling you about YouTube. I see there's a few guys out there, let's call them gurus, because I'm not. I'm just a guy who is trying to build a community here, who's trying to grow YouTube channels that are pretty useless at this, and I'm trying to make it better. Yeah, let's talk about the gurus who've got important channels. Those guys put shorts out based on their long form videos. They seem to be doing okay with it, but not that great. I haven't seen millions of views on their shorts, but they do have shorts that seem to be working or seem to be growing with their channel. A lot of people have dived into the shorts thing, and for me, I look at it as, is it really worth your while? Because if you look at the monetization policies, and I'm sure a lot of you are on YouTube because you want to get monetized somewhere down the line, you want to make some dosh. And I looked at the shorts, and they don't pay that well, number one, and also you need 10 million views to get anywhere, which means you've got to have one of these little clown dancing videos or comedy videos or funny things, or maybe the music tends to work. I see that. And I'm not into that. So, you know, but where do you get the music? Unless you're a musician, you're taking somebody else's music and putting it on there. And the other question I ask myself is, if, for example, on the long form videos, if I steal somebody else's content and I put it out there on YouTube, then they're going to shut my channel down. copyright, whatever the case, then you're not allowed to do that. There is some fair use policies and that sort of thing, but I'm pretty sure with the music, there's no fair use on that. You got to have permission to use that music. And these guys are putting out really fancy music, maybe video or copying a concert or something like that, and putting the music on YouTube. How do they get monetized? Because that shouldn't actually be monetized as copyright. That I question. I question that. Also the AI shorts and that sort of thing, I question that, because a lot of that is also kind of copyright stuff. So be careful of that. Be careful of that in general. I actually think that from my personal perspective, I'm going to stick to the long form videos. I'm not going to go mad on the shorts, because even though you think it might bring people over to your channel, I actually think it might hurt your channel. With one or two negative comments that I got on the shorts, kind of says to me, maybe you shouldn't go that route. Maybe you should stay with the long form, learn more about that, grow on the long form, and make that into the successful area of your channels. I don't want to hurt logical trading because that's my main channel, and I don't want that to get damaged, so I don't want to push too much on that side. So there I'm trying to stick with the long form channels and the education that I'm doing. This channel is great for experimenting with, because this is what this channel is all about. It's all about learning how to make YouTube better, to grow with it and to improve on it and all the rest of it. For example, I'm learning as much as I can about audio, because I believe audio is really important, and I've been struggling so much with audio. My previous audio has been so bad that I actually went out and got a Rode microphone. I'll leave a link in the description. You can go and have a look for yourself. Seriously, guys, I've had to really look into the audio, because I can see that the channels with good audio are more successful and they're getting more views. So I think that's got a lot to do with it as well. You've got to look at that, guys. That's important. So as I say, guys, shorts probably hurt the channel more than it made it better, more than it made it kind of successful. So perhaps we should stay away from shorts, look more into going for the long form video if you're in long form video, or choose which one you're going with. And if you're in the short form, clearly you're in that sort of quick dance, quick short, quick small thing, funny thing, or a guy riding down the skateboard and chasing a dog, or I don't know. You know, that it's a different format. It's a completely different thing that people like watching. They get addicted to watching it and they enjoy it. So it might be better if you're in long form to stay on the long form, because, for example, this type of video is just not going to cut it as a short. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next week, don't forget to watch the last videos. Cheers, thanks, and bye.